Hello. Pull. Oh. Ooh. Yeah.
Greetings, Sir Chikoy! Greetings, cadets and cadets!
Welcome to our exploration of the importance of math, science, and technology. And today, we're going to be discussing to you about physics. Join us as we dive into the real-world applications that showcase the importance of physics in our
Daily lives!
First, what is physics? Physics is the study of matter, energy, and the fundamental forces that shapes our universe. It seeks to answer the how and why behind everything we observe. Everything we do has physics behind it, because the fundamental laws of nature governs the interaction of matter and energy, influencing our daily aspects from simple movements to complex technological innovations. Now, physics has a lot of interesting subtopics to talk about, but today, we're only going to be focusing on equilibrium, kinematics, forces and motion, and heat and temperature.
The world of physics, equilibrium is a delicate dance between opposing forces. Equilibrium is achieved when the forces are acting up on an object are perfectly balanced. One of a real example of an equilibrium are cyclists. Cyclists unconsciously lean and steer to find equilibrium, a dynamic balance between their movements and the forces of gravity. Even nature relies on equilibrium. An example of this is an ecosystem because it involves balance of population and resources. Where its physics or rhythm of life, finding equilibrium is the key to a stable and harmonious existence. Kinematics is the study of motion. It reveals the secrets of objects in motion and their dynamic journey through space and time. It dives into intricacies of velocity and acceleration, painting a vivid picture of how objects move and change speed. In the real world, kinematics powers our understanding of vehicular motion, ensuring the car travels safely and efficiently on roads. For athletes, kinematics is a playbook of mastering motion from the graceful leap of a gymnast and the explosive speed of a sprinter. From mundane to the extraordinary, kinematics is a silent force shaping our understanding and mastery of motion. Forces and motion, the dynamic glue of physical world. Define how object responds, pushes and pulls, unraveling the movement essence. For examples, in theme parks, the marriage of forces and motion creates thrilling loops and twists of a roller coaster, turning physics into excitement. In construction, forces lift colossal loads as cranes elegantly manipulate motion, showcasing the practical application of these principles. From launching of rocket to the space to the delicate dance of satellites. Forces and motion propel humanity beyond Earth's boundaries. The smallest pebble to the grandeur of space exploration, forces and motion are the architects of our dynamic and ever-changing reality.
Heat is a kinetic energy within matter, causing molecules to dance and create a thermal symphony that shapes our surroundings, while temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of particles in a substance. Heat and temperature plays vital role in our lives. For example, in your morning ritual, the transfer of heat warms your coffee, showcasing the practical application of thermal principle in our daily lives. From the cozy warmth of your home to the marvels of technology, heat and temperature shape the world around us, silently stating the symphony of thermal equilibrium.